welcome to my channel Good Mind Gyan. Today we are going to study crop production and management part 4. Here we are going to study what is harvesting. Harvesting of a crop is an important task. The cutting of crops after it is mature is called harvesting. Crops are pulled out or cut close to the ground. It usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. Harvesting in our country is either done manually or by a sickle or by a machine which is called as a harvester. When we clean the grains, we have harvesting, threshing and winnowing. So grain seeds are separated from the chaff. That is when we combine the threshing and the winnowing in the harvested crop, the grain seeds need to be separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. This is carried out with the help of a machine called combine, which is in fact a harvester as well as a thresher. Harvest festivals gives us a sense of well-being, which is the festivals are like Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, etc. Then comes the storage. The storage of the produce is an important task. If harvested grains are to be kept for a longer time, they should be safe from moisture, insects, rats and microorganisms. The harvested food grains have more moisture. If freshly harvested grains are stored without drying, they may get spoiled or attacked by organisms, making them fit for use or for germination. Hence, before storing them, the grains are properly dried in the sun to reduce the moisture in them. This prevents the attack by insect pests, bacteria and fungi. Farmers store the grains in jute bags or metallic bins. However, large-scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries to protect them from pests like rats and insects. Dried neem leaves are also used for storing the grains at home. For storing large quantities of grains in big godowns, specific chemical treatments are required to protect them from pests and microorganisms. Food from animals. We have just seen that the process of crop production involves a number of steps like selection of seeds, sowing, etc. Similarly, animals reared at home or in farms have to be provided with proper food, shelter and care. When this is done on a large scale, it is called as animal husbandry. In the picture, you can see the food from the animals, like the hamburger, milk, cheese, cow, the eggs, fried chicken, etc. So these are the food, and on the other hand, you can see the animals like cow, chicken, pig, fish, etc. So what have we learned from this chapter, crop production and management? In order to provide food for our growing population, we need to adopt certain agricultural practices. Same kind of plants cultivated at a place constitute a crop. In India, crops can be broadly classified into Rabi and Kharif crops. It is necessary to prepare soil by tilling and leveling. Sowing of seeds at appropriate depths and distances gives good yield. Good variety of seeds are sown after selection of healthy seeds. Sowing is done by seed drills. Soil needs replenishment and enrichment through the use of organic manure and fertilizers. Supply of water to crops at appropriate intervals is called irrigation. Weeding involves removal of unwanted and uncultivated plants called weeds. Harvesting is the cutting of mature crop manually or by machines. Separation of the grains from the chaff is called threshing. Proper storage of grains is necessary to protect them from pests and microorganisms. Food is also obtained from animals for which animals are reared. This is called animal husbandry. So with this, I finished the chapter. I hope you liked the video. If you have liked it, please share and comment and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.